you didn't know that you're already holding your next side hustle in the palm of your hand. That's right, I'm talking about Instagram. I mean, it's in the title of the video, so it's pretty obvious. With over 1 billion active monthly users and an ad reach that increases every year, there are fewer and fewer reasons why you shouldn't start making money on Instagram. You can even make money without even having your own business yet. Whether you're an influencer trying to get followers or a business trying to get your products out there, you can see your bank account grow. Instagram isn't just a place to post pictures from your weekend anymore. You can also set up more streams of income. But wait, I'm getting ahead of myself. All will be revealed by the end of this video. Welcome back to Learn with Shopify, everyone. I'm your host, Rachel Fisher, and I filled this video with everything you need to make Instagram work for you, start to finish. So let's get started. Okay, here are 5 ways you can make money on Instagram, but make sure you stay till the end of the video where I will give you a final tip that ties it all together. Number 1, create an Instagram shop. Did you know that Instagram can act as your storefront with Instagram Shop? You can sell anything from dropshipping products, courses, classes, consultations, services, photos, print-on-demand t-shirts, mugs, personalized merch, you name it. Even if you're primarily an influencer, you can make money selling stuff. Sell meet and greets or birthday call-outs. The only limit is your imagination. Creating an Instagram shop makes it easy to sell all of these things. It allows you to run ads and marketing campaigns and, most importantly, make your posts shoppable. Meaning, you can tag your products in posts with a clickable link that will directly take your customer to that product in your store. They can even check out directly from Instagram Shop. So not only are your posts serving to advertise your business, they are also encouraging conversions. If you have a Shopify website, which you can make in minutes using the free trial in the description below, you can link your Instagram shop directly to your Shopify store. That way, your catalog automatically updates between transactions and any changes, so there's no need to do anything manually. How do you set one up? Well, I've already made a video about that for you that takes you through it step by step, which you can watch after this video. Psst, I linked it down below. Number 2, affiliate links. If you don't sell an original product, take advantage of affiliate links and partner with companies who want to use your account for advertising space. Say your account has to do with sporting goods. Many companies on their websites have applications you can fill out to become an affiliate of that category. Meaning, you earn commission when customers buy their products through the link you advertise. You can even get free gifts. So as you post on Instagram, you can make a video of you at brunch with your friends wearing partner jewelry, clothing, accessories, etc., and make money off of it. You can start looking for affiliates before you even have a large following. Some might ask you to pay a small shipping fee to get free products, so take that into consideration. But as you grow, you can begin connecting with larger affiliates and increase your earnings. Which brings me to number 3. Branded partnerships and the creator marketplace. To give you an idea, accounts with upwards of 100K can charge up to $500 per post. Here is the exact list of how much you can earn per sponsored post based on the number of followers you have. Nano influencer, 1,000 to 10,000 followers, can charge up to $10 to $100 per post. Micro influencer, 10,000 to 50,000 followers, can charge up to $100 to $500 per post. Mid-tier influencer, 50,000 to 500,000 followers, can charge up to $500 to $5,000 per post. Macro influencer, 500,000 to 1 million followers, can charge up to $5,000 to $10,000 per post. There's a couple ways you can start doing this. One is to join the creator marketplace on Instagram. You can check if you're eligible by going to your professional dashboard on your profile. Select branded content. It will give you a green check if you're good to go, and then click join the creator marketplace. From there, follow the prompts and then make sure to check off your interests that relate to your brand. You don't want to advertise anything that might isolate or confuse your followers or the algorithms, so make sure you choose wisely. After you've set that up, go back to branded content and click discover projects, and you'll see postings of people looking for partnerships and what they will pay. Another way, make yourself known to companies you want to support by reaching out to them on their website or LinkedIn. Some companies will pay you a fortune depending on the size of your account and reach to get exposure from your audience. Put together a social media package that includes insights from your successful posts, post examples, how many followers you have, and describe how your niche relates to them. Once they respond, you can start negotiating and earn money from creating content for their company and advertising on your account. Number 4. Offer paid subscriptions. If you have a professional Instagram account, are over the age of 18, with at least 10,000 followers, you can start charging for subscriptions. People are willing to pay money to have access to exclusive reels, posts, stories, lives, subscriber-only broadcast channels, giveaways, discounts, you name it, from content creators and businesses they love. You can make all the pictures you have from your recent trip to Italy, for example, make money for you. Post one and place the others behind the subscription wall. As a business, you can sell hidden deals like early Black Friday sales or priority access to a product drop. The only limit, again, is your imagination. To set up your subscriptions, head to your profile, select Professional Dashboard, tap Set Up Subscriptions, and follow the prompts from there. Once you click Done, your followers will be notified in 3 days and will also see the subscribe button on your profile. Number 5, badges and gifts. These are tipping systems you might be familiar with from YouTube and TikTok. Again, if you're over the age of 18 with 10K plus followers, when you host live shows, your audience can tip you in badges and gifts. This one is dependent on the relationship you develop with your followers, but it is a way to make money all the same. Your audience can even support you with gifts on your reels. So, to set this up, go to your profile, head to your professional dashboard, I feel like we're sensing a theme here, and check to see if you're eligible for monetization. If you are, you will see a button that says Set Up Badges, or scroll down to Gifts and select Allow Gifts. Once you have access, they will automatically be enabled during your lives. Make sure to have your PayPal, SSN, or EIN number handy in order to set up direct deposit. Viewers can purchase multiple badges during your live in 99¢, $1.99, and $4.99 increments. Remember to recognize your badge purchasers, leave some W's in the chat for your supporters, and make sure to let your followers know that badges and gifts are enabled, and ensure to use your manners and thank them for their support. You can even offer personalized callouts and content as your thank yous. If you like this video so far, make sure to give us a little thumbs up, especially since this video isn't even over yet and we still have more ways to help you make money. You may have noticed that the common denominator in most of these avenues requires your account to have a benchmark following. The truth is, you won't really see much revenue if no one knows you exist, which is the biggest obstacle for businesses using Instagram. The first step to making money on Instagram is to make sure you understand how Instagram works so you can optimize your content strategy and increase your follower base. As you construct your business brand, here are a couple things to keep in mind to encourage that following so you can build your bank account. Make sure you understand your niche. What is a niche? Well, it's not to be confused with the very popular cheesy egg pie, quiche. A niche is a category of the market that only applies to a specific audience looking for specialized products. An example being ski socks over an everyday pair of socks. Both items fall into the clothing category, but one is more specific than the other. Everyone and their aunt at some point will need a pair of socks, but only people who ski will be looking for socks for skiing. Though they're the same product, you wouldn't advertise them the same way because you're trying to reach a specific audience. Instagram wants you to reach that audience, but they will get confused if your posts aren't directed towards them. In order to make money on Instagram by gaining followers, you have to understand your product, who it's for, and build your Instagram page around that. Just make sure it's something you're passionate about because you'll be working with it a lot. Work with the algorithm. Social media algorithms evolve constantly, so keeping up with their varying changes in ranking can seem like swimming upstream. But this rule never changes. Instagram, as well as most social media, is such a people pleaser. It's giving golden retriever energy. They want to keep you entertained and they will do everything in their power to keep you scrolling and interacting. If they think you'll like something, it will show up within the first 5 or 10 posts in your feed or your explore page. You, as a business, want to be in those first 5 to 10 posts so you can increase your viewers, your customers, your followers, and you guessed it, the money you make. So here are some tips to help you work better with the algorithms. When it comes to Instagram, Reels, posts, stories, ads all operate under different algorithms. Instagram states that each part of the app, feed, stories, explore, Reels, search, and more, uses its own algorithm tailored to how people use it. People tend to look for their closest friends in stories, use Explore to discover new content and creators, and be entertained in Reels. Instagram uses factors like time, location, format, keywords, etc. as signals to determine what posts are likely to do really well per user. Format is a big one. If a user tends to interact with photos the most, then they're gonna end up seeing more photos. To that point, if you're only posting Reels on your business page, then you're missing out on the audience who mostly interacts with photos. So in order to optimize the viewership of your business account, you have to make sure you use all facets of posting methods. You can even multi-purpose posts, such as taking a video and turning snapshots into a carousel post, and then share that to your story. Right there, you've hit 3 different audience preferences. Remember to use keywords related to your business in your bios, captions, profile name descriptions, and hashtags. This is important, especially if you want to show up first when someone enters in a request in the search bar. When someone types in a topic into the search bar, Instagram will show results that relate or match the text of the search. So for example, going back to the socks thing I talked about, if you're selling socks with funny book-related quotes on them, you want to make sure you have hashtags relating to those topics as well as the product. Include details that feature your business location as well, so it makes buyers looking for something in their area easier to find you. Encourage interaction through interaction. Interacting with your followers, visitors who comment, like, subscribe, etc. is key. If you want an audience from a specific group of people, then participate in that community. Like, follow, comment on businesses that are similar to yours or in the same brand pool. Encouraging interaction from your viewers raises your content in the ranking across the board, no matter what format you choose. You can encourage likes, follows, shares, posts, and comments through competitions, polls, and call to action buttons. The Shopify blog has a full article with even more details about Instagram's algorithms, which I will link in the description below. It's a great read and includes even more tips and tricks about how to optimize your reach. I've hit most of the key points, but definitely check it out if you want further details. Finally, create creative posts. But what the heck does that even mean? Like, I hate when people say be creative or be original, because that always sends me into an existential spiral and I don't even know what to do with myself. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Instead, ask yourself, does your content check off these 5 things? Does it spark curiosity? Remember how I started the beginning of the video by challenging you with, I bet you didn't know, etc.? Well, considering you've made it this far into the video, I'm assuming it worked. That's an example of a hook, a phrase that challenges someone's curiosity. Consider placing other challenging phrases like, you'll never guess these 3 ways to crush it on Insta, or doing these 5 things changed my life, etc. at the beginning of your content to encourage a full watch through. Finish with a call to action such as like, follow, add to cart to seal the deal. 2. Does it delight at least 3 out of the 5 senses? Does it make you want to touch something, taste something, smell something, etc.? Think ASMR or cooking videos, outdoor videos, get ready with me. A great way to keep your audience entertained is to involve the senses so they feel more inclined to participate. Number 3, is it believable? Your video actually has to look like whatever you're selling is real, and it should be. There's a lot of fake stuff out there, and the last thing someone wants is another scam on their credit card. Audiences can sense when something feels inauthentic better than we realize, so be real. Number 4, is it relatable? Make content that participates in the world of your product. Selling book lamps, for example, for reading at night? Stage an environment where that object would exist. Number 5, does it add value? Whether that's an inspiring outfit idea or recipe, when content contributes something of value, it encourages the sharing of information, and you want it to be shared. That's how you get your products in the hands of the people who will buy it. Final tip. When you post, make sure you're uploading at the highest quality. Head to your settings at the top right corner, type in data usage in the search bar, and make sure to toggle on upload at the highest quality. Make sure it's well lit, high resolution, and definitely not a pixelated stock photo from the early 2000s. We can do better than that. Creating high quality content reinforces the reputation of your brand and will lead to more followers, customers, and therefore more conversions. Thank Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope it inspired you to look at Instagram as a way to expand your business enterprise. You deserve all the success, and we are here to help. So make sure to press that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Have a question? Let us know in the comments below, and it may be the prompt for our next video. I've been your host, Rachel Fisher, and I'm signing off for now. See you next time.